Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 28th of July, 2024. We're going to talk about this one top stock pick revealed. I mean, you guys can already see it. It's on your chart. It's on your screen right now. VeriSign. VRSN is the ticker symbol. We're going to talk about this stock and as to why I do maintain that this stock is going to continue to try to go up in price. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick, and then we're going to add this to our simulated stock portfolio so that we can keep track of it. All right. So now, first things first, this is the 5-weekly chart into the market in VeriSign. You guys can clearly see where the buyers are right now in VeriSign. Okay. So that's the first thing we're going to identify is where the buyers are. All right. Simple, right? So since we know where the buyers are, where do you think the sellers are? Do you think they're here at around 220? Yeah, it's possible that they could be there. So we could draw that level, and then we could go ahead and draw this level as the second sell zone. So while we do maintain that this stock is bullish and that it wants to go up in price, we got these other levels right here that's going to be targets for us to trend with. All right, for us to know, yeah, maybe we might need to take some off the table, or maybe we might need to get rid of this position altogether. Okay, so these are the targets that we're going to aim for in the longer term charts. Here is VeriSign on the 3-week time frame. You guys can see that it still looks pretty bullish here on the 3 weeks. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and straighten up these sell zones and buy zones. Let's go ahead and put it on the daily, make it cleaner. So we go ahead and do this sell zone here. And let's go ahead and do this upward one. And let's straighten up this buy zone down here. Okay. So let's look at this on the 5-day chart for VeriSign. You guys can see that the 5-day chart is looking pretty bullish. Which is also a good thing. Let's look at this on the weekly. You guys can see even on the last week's price action, the market closed at the high of the bar, and even the volume came through. It's pretty heavy. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Real quick look, same thing. Pretty much look identical to the weekly. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Okay, we went up on this 3-weekly price bar on May 28th, came down just a little bit, and then we ended right back up on this last printed 3-weekly price bar. So yes, I think the market in VeriSign wants to go up in price. So what we're going to do is put this on the weekly chart, and we're going to look forward to this market aiming to go up in price. What about targets though? What do you guys think about targets into the market in VeriSign? I think this needs to be a target right here. Okay, so it's like 13% move higher for us there. Next target would be at like 220. And that's it. So let's go ahead and put this on our simulated portfolio. Today is the 28th. The ticker symbol is VRSN, VeriSign. Last trade price was at 184.10. And we'll see how the market trades going forward. So that's it. Simple, easy. And we'll come back every once in a while to check the performance of these stocks here. Matter of fact, I wanted to look at IWM because we might need to put this one out because it is hitting this sell zone right now, which I don't like that it's bumping its head. I really want it to break through to the upside to try to aim for that next high zone. Sell zone. So what we're going to do is get rid of this one. We're going to sell that one. So let's say today's the 28th. Sell price is 224.22. So that's about 5% gain there. So let's go ahead and get rid of this, clean up that, clean up this, clean up that. So there we are. So we'll look at the other ones later on. If I see anything that would state that we might need to get rid of it, either because it's going in the opposite direction or that it has hit a sell zone or hit an ultimate TP price, then we'll go ahead and get rid of it at those particular moments in time. But as right now, we just got rid of IWM. Okay. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. If you guys appreciate the videos and the content, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And like I always say, trade different.